What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to Comment Sunday. Basically, this segment of the channel is where I basically read out your comments from during the week of my videos that you've commented on, and yeah, today's one is going to be very quick. There's only even one video that has comments on it. I know I've been lacking in videos, guys, just my family over, so I do apologize if I don't have many videos going up over the next week, but you know, I will try and post as much as I can. And again, guys, this is my full-time job. But anyway, we'll just kick into it and get done. Before I kick off, guys, you know, if you do want to get involved, please do smash the subscribe button and just comment below and hit the like button. It really does help the channel, and you know, I want you to be involved in this channel and give you a platform to, you know, voice out your thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the supercar community on YouTube as well. So as well, guys, the one of the things as well is the guy, normal supercar guy who was covering the CNC Motors issue, the first guy had on, Shane, who was trying to get back his Ferrari F430. The video was just made a while ago. He has finally gotten back his Ferrari F430, which I'm delighted to hear. It was great work by you know, the guys over in normal supercar guy and Shane. He's finally gotten his car back from CNC, so you know, at least that one's sorted out. But I heard there's like 17 other people that have contacted him saying they're still having issues trying to get their cars back off CNC Motors as well. But yeah, it's you know, it's one of those things where, you know, hopefully everybody can get resolved. But yeah, guys, look, I decided to update you and let you know that he's finally, after getting his Ferrari back, which is unbelievably great news. And you know, obviously, I think his name is Dan over there in normal supercar guy is working his ass off trying to help people get their car backs as well. So just the only video that was commented on, guys, was DD new supercar and Matt Armstrong vehicle versions as well. There's always two comments. West Coast Turbos, DD has so many projects on the go in the new channel. He's a big DD fan, if you don't know. Which he's right. They do have a lot of projects on the go. Like the F12 is crazy. He's after getting the CGT now. You know, what else is there? Oh my god, I'm just trying to think what else he's doing. He's getting his 720 GTR repainted as well. You know, Dave now is after getting a Porsche GT3 RS. You know, there's just so many cars there. They've just been, it's just madness. I wish I could ever get that level, but yeah, DD's been crushing it. Jeremy Prepaway, the DD Porsche wrap looked pretty good when they removed that ugly white wave stripe around it and it made it solid black. So that's in regard to Dave's GT3 RS. I didn't like the white stripes in it either, and that was removed. You know, that was removed and it made it look a lot better. Yeah, I know, I agree. I don't know if he's going to rewrap it or keep that color, guys. I'm not too sure. You know, it's going to be interesting to see. And yeah, I just wanted don't want to leave this too short. But as we know, guys, Stradman is after moving out of his the Burlacher house. He's after getting his own place. He finally moved out. Now, a question to you guys, I don't know if any of you noticed or just something I've noticed, that you don't really see Tessa. I don't know if he's still with Tessa. Does anybody know? You never see her in vlogs really anymore, or on their Instagram pages really anymore. So you don't. So I'm wondering, is he still with her? Because he's been saying, you know, oh, it's just me and Oscar moving into the house, and you don't hear anything. I know Tess not moving in with him, but you could say, look, Tess could be over or whatever, but they might still be with each other. I'm just curious. I just want to check the comments on this one. So S-Bot, oh, today my broken couch. That couch in S-Bot's place, he really does need to replace it. Oh, that would be great. Car Reviews EU, let your girlfriend move in and soon you will need more space. Oh, okay. So he must be still with her. So if people are commenting that, like, so yeah. 5 years later, and James still hasn't worked out that you're losing your job was an April Fool's joke that got taken too far. Oh yeah, because he got let go on April Fool's with Burlacher. Well, all we need is to appreciate Burlack for being the undisputed legend. 10 cars and not a single spoon. A true car guy. True. He actually has fuck all, actually, Stradman. He has nothing in his house. It'd be so funny, him getting furniture. And all he has is cars, like, it's crazy. You know, the wide arch Aventador. I love the satin blue and his current Aventador. He's got the Bugatti, and he owns all these cars, bar the Bugatti. Like, it's insane. Like, I mean, he's got so many cars. Yeah, so just it's great to see him move out. Do you know, like, he had to go out on his feet. He was probably getting that rent so cheap. I heard he was only paying a few $100s for the room. And yeah, it's great. It's great to see now he has his own place, while his new place is getting built. So yeah, it's great to see he's moved out, and we'll see what content we get out of him. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much again if you watched the end, and yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think about what's been going on in the car community over this past week. I'll bring up your comments again next Tuesday. I'll try and have a video out tomorrow. I'm off work till Tuesday. I just have family over, so it is kind of hard to get videos done when I try to, but yeah, hopefully you like this kind of stuff. The usual guys, please do smash the like button and please do comment below. So guys, until the next episode, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.